It's that same cop, I think, that just ran my plates. Oh, there's one up here too. Okay, so we'll come up here and record this. Yep, that's him.
Why would you do that? I thought it was better.
Recording for your safety.
Your car, man, is messed up, bro.
So that's the same guy that ran our, just said all nice. Oh, thank you, and then ran our plates. There's a cop back here behind us too. It is what it is, ain't it?
Any of your doors unlocked?
Yeah. No, that one doesn't work. You gotta just have the same. You're through the competition? Yeah.
He asked him, are any of your doors unlocked? Cop down the street too. I don't know what he's doing. And I wonder if this cop was given permission to go through the car, or did he just say he was going to go through it? Because you have to give consent, otherwise it's a violation of your Fourth Amendment civil rights. In fact, let's go over here so we can watch him, keep him honest. Yeah, I'm here for his safety. I'm here for his protection. Yeah, him. No, to make sure that he doesn't get messed over by the law enforcement. Yeah, look at the cop. He's not your friend, he's going through your car. I don't usually let my friends go through my car. Now watch, when the cop finds something, or if he finds something, he won't be all nice. He'll be like, oh, we got contraband. Watch. Some people think if you're nice to the cops, they'll let you go. No, this cop is looking for something to arrest him for. That's his goal, searching this vehicle, is to find something he can arrest for. That's what his goal is. He's not just looking through the car because, you know, that's his job. He is looking for something to arrest for. That's his one and only goal right now.
I found it in the back of the car.
He even had him handcuffed for a car search.
Drive this car anymore. If I catch you driving this car, dog, I'm gonna take you tomorrow, okay? Understand? You can't be driving that without permission.
He said if he catches him driving it again, he's going to take his car.
In the car. Come on, guys. Hey, guys. How you guys doing? Hey, guys. Living the dream or what? I don't know, depending on what the dream is. Someone's dream, right? Hey, fuck it, you're making money.
So I guess he's going to park it. What? No, we had to watch him because let's say the cop threw him on the ground and busted his head and said, well, he swung at me.
Well, what's the odds that you were right here to watch?
What do you mean? Oh, because I saw his lights flashing.
Oh, no, I seen you pull up from this way.
Yeah, his lights were flashing.
Yeah,
and I said, oh, something.
This way.
No, you could see it down all the way down at I think Sterling. You can see all the way down.
So what are they doing down there?
I don't know. We're gonna go find out.
So who do you work for?
I'm independent for YouTube. I record the police because let's say they lie on their police report, then they'll look on here and go,
Oh, I know.
that's not what I see on the video.
Damn, what the fuck were you at when I got arrested?
Let's go see what they're doing. Oh, there's 2 cop cars down here. Oh, they're letting somebody go, huh? Yeah, they're taking off. He must have told them I'm in the area. Yep, there they go. They're waiting on me to head this way. They were waiting on me, dude. I'm gonna walk here just so they can't say I'm in the street. Yep, there's another cop. Well, they're out in Highland tonight. We're in the city of Highland, if you guys didn't know. So I think they're over here. Oh, female cop. Yeah, they were doing something over here. These guys just taking off. This one's gonna take off too. Oh, it's another female. All right, let's go see where they're going. Well, they're out here tonight. Here we go. Watch, they're gonna turn around right here. Oh, that one went that way. Well, maybe they don't know where I parked at. Come January, jaywalking won't be a crime. How about that? You can jaywalk in January.